Hello guys, this is FixTube, and in this video we're gonna talk about the most common error of Windows 10. The file has stopped working. If you don't know how to get rid of it, then this video offered by FixTube will tell you the answers. There are several methods mentioned in the video. So why does this error message occur? There are several causes: malware attacks, corrupted system files, issues with compatibility settings, problems with temporary files, and outdated drivers. The method 1 is to restart the troubled program. If you're not sure whether you have closed the program completely, then you can follow the instructions to that. Step 1 is to choose the dialog message, then right-click in your taskbar to choose Task Manager. So, step 2 is go to the Process tab and make sure that the program is not on the list. If it is, right-click it to choose End Task. For example, this one, like this. So if you open the program and the error said this program has stopped working, you just need to get into the task manager and end that task from here and start again. Method 2 is to run a full virus scan. Then, well, malware and viruses can cause a large number of problems to appear, so you should perform a full virus scan regularly. There are a lot of third-party antivirus software that you can use, but there is a wonderful built-in tool on Windows 10 that you can use to run a full virus scan, Windows Defender. Here is a quick guide. Step 1, press the Win key and the I key at the same time to open settings, and then choose Update and Security. Step 2, close Windows Security and then choose Virus and Threat Protection under Protection Areas. So you can go to the scan options and do a full scan from here. After that, wait for the process to complete, then it will show whether there is any virus. If there is, use Windows Defender to fix it. If the Windows Defender is blocked by group policy, then you can also use any other third-party antivirus tool to perform a virus scan. Third method is to configure compatibility settings. If the application that triggers the error message can run well on an old version of Windows system, then you can configure compatibility settings to solve the problem. So 1 is go to the installation folder of the troubled application. For example, if the OBS Studio was having trouble, you go to the properties from here and go to the compatibility tab and check the box next to run this program in compatibility mode for. Choose the preferred Windows version and click OK and save changes. You choose this, and I don't have to do it right now, but you have to check the box. Click apply and then OK. After choosing the preferred Windows version, restart the program and check if the error message is gone. And if it's not, head to the method 4, which is run the troubled program as the administrator. If this file is again having trouble, you can right click on it and then choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and again check this and click Apply and OK. And after that, relaunch the program and check whether the error still occurs. Method 5 is to clean temporary files. Step 1 is to type disk cleanup into the search bar I actually made a video for you guys how to delete temporary files. There are several ways. I'll tell you the last one and this one in this video as well. So type this cleanup and in the search bar, and then click this cleanup. And here you can choose the Windows installation drive and then click OK, as we did. And in this step 3, in the disk cleanup for Windows, you can check the box next to the temporary files in here and click OK to start the clean temporary files. Wait for the process to finish, then restart the program to see if the error is fixed. Method 6 is to run SFC and DISM tools. To run the SFC tools, let me at first tell you what are they. Damaged system files could trigger many problems, even a system crash, so you should try to repair corrupted system files to get rid of the X crashes and Windows 10 error. Fortunately, there are two powerful tools that you can use, which are SFC and DISM. For running the SFC tool, firstly you can try to run the SFC tool as I tell you, to open the run and type the CMD in here, and actually you have to run it as administrator from there or from here, no difference. So you should type sfc scan now in the command prompt windows and then press enter. Wait for the process to complete and then restart the computer to check if the error still exists. And as I don't need it, I close this window. And for the DISM tool, if running the SFC tool could not help you fix a problem, you have to go to command prompt again. It's better to always run this as an administrator, it's more helpful. Then you should type DISM.exe slash online slash cleanup image restore health, and then click enter. Wait for the process to finish and then reboot your PC. Relaunch the program to see whether the error is fixed. So the last method is also to update the display driver. So outdated drivers could cause many problems to appear, thus you should update your display driver to solve the problem that application.exe has stopped working. So you have to press the Windows key plus X at the same time to choose Device Manager in here, and then expand the display adapters from here. You click on the update and search automatically for updated driver software, and follow the on-screen instructions to finish updating the driver. And after that you can reboot your computer and then restart the program to check if the error is gone. You can also install some third-party applications for backup that may help you, but I wouldn't recommend you to do this. So to sum up, after watching this video, you should know why the error message application.exe has stopped working appears, In addition, you can also find several useful methods to solve the problem, and in order to keep your computer safe, you should back up your system regularly. If you have different methods or have any confusion about the methods or steps, then leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. There are also another useful videos with different several ways and instructions to fix all types of errors. So please subscribe my channel and watch this video as well.